Yes, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to a new... welcome to a new stream, guys. Looking forward to today. We're gonna... it looks actually very good. Today is looking fantastic here. Let's get some music going. We're gonna get some new music coming up very soon, guys. Gotta be good. Give me 1 second. There we go. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are all doing well. Yesterday was a little bit of a very slow day. Today is looking way better. I like the structures of the market right now. Something very interesting happened today as well, regards to what we have noticed with the dollar index. So that's something very interesting. What's happening, guys? What's happening, Marcus, my man? What's happening, Tony? Simon, Rose, Jonathan, Jordan, Almadi. What's happening, my man? My man, best friend is here. What's up, my brother? How are you? Nice. Dimitris S. Fox, fantastic. Vince says, hey Lorenzo, just had a perfect scalp on the Australian dollar US dollar 1 minute chart like your strategy. I saw that one. I exactly saw that one, my friend. I saw that one. Very nice, my man. Very nice. That's great to hear. Peace Sniper, my man, is here as well in the building. Amazing. Let's announce the Discord that we are live as well. We're a little bit in a rush today, so we have to do some things here. There we go. There we go. We are live. Let's get it. We got some very interesting news today, guys, as well. Or news, at least. We have some... yeah, okay, let's say very interesting news here. Okay, first of all, I'm in a sell... by the way, real quick, so you guys can see this right now. I'm in a sell of the US 100 right now. I pretty much just entered, actually. So just so you know, guys. I've spotted liquidity and I do like what I see there. So I definitely want to take that in consideration here. Okay. But on the side note, besides of the scalping strategy that we're going to do very soon here, we can also discuss some other things right now. One of them is, of course, the dollar index. This is where I was waiting for a significant amount of time here. So I'm very excited, very interested in what we're seeing right now, okay? If you look on the daily right now, we have wicked down and created a lower low. However, we do not have a daily close yet, okay? Do take that in consideration here. So we are still waiting for a daily close. Are we gonna see a daily close underneath? Yes or no? We don't know yet. We're gonna find out here. But it's very interesting right now that the dollar index created right now on the daily, or at least wicked out and created a lower low here. So this is a very interesting sign here in regards to the dollar index. And like we said, I do potentially believe that we can come back down for the next coming days. You know, probably till next week, until the new announcement of potentially the basis points, right? The base points interest rate hike that will happen next Wednesday. Okay, so I do believe that there is a possibility here. But overall, it's still very interesting what's actually happening right now. Gold is still making moves up here. We are still completely, you know, coming up from the specific zone right here. We tapped into the zone right now. We created a higher high, came back down, created another higher high. So things are looking very interesting here as well in regards to gold. Then also the same thing will happen for the indices right now, and even for Bitcoin. Bitcoin even made a solid move to the upside as well. Look at that, by the way. Look at Bitcoin right here on the daily. You could clearly see that we even, you know, made a significant pump here, created a higher high, and so on and so on. It all has to do, of course, with the dollar index. It all has to do with the VIX as well, coming back down right now. All of these things are very, very important and do matter a lot when looking also at the Bitcoin price right here. So very, very interesting. Absolutely interesting, man. I'm looking forward to what we're going to see here in regards to the dollar index, in regards to the VIX, and in regards to, of course, gold. Gold is still something that we're looking for right now. And I'm very, very excited about that. I'm very, very excited about what we can find here. Abdirama says, what is the safest way to automate a trading edge without getting stalled by coders? That's a very, very good question, my friend. That has to do with letting them sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement. And based on that, you will find a solution there. And I think you can make a deal. But in the end, what you want is just keep trying until you find the right guy here. It's very, very simple. Create a closed circle of developers and you know, sell them on the vision. I think this is another thing you can implement as well. Jamil says, your voice sounds different, man. Are you good? I don't know. I'm doing very well, my friend. Maybe it's the microphone. Kichwa says, what good fam. Hope everyone is doing good. Absolutely, absolutely doing very, very well, my friend. Sakti Singh says, gold can go down. I do think that we can come down right now in the short term. At least I hope so. So we can catch a potential move right now. In the end, what we're seeing for the dollar index is very interesting. But we are still right now here at this particular level. And I do think that we can make a short retracement to the upside. But let's see what actually will happen right now. It's going to be very, very interesting. It's going to be very, very interesting here. Simon says, are you live trading every day? Yes, I most of the time from a Tuesday to a Friday. So yes. In the meantime, guys, let me go back to my setup, to my trade right now. There we go. So we filled up this gap here with in regards to the US 100 right now, and I do think it aligns here. Therefore, I'm looking to potentially short the US 100 right now. Looks absolutely fantastic here. So let's see what we can do. But in general, we're going to get straight into the scalping today because I do not want to miss the open here as well as some other things that we can expect right now. I do think it's very, very important to dive straight into it right now. I think the market is looking juicy. So I think it's very, very nice. This was indeed a beautiful trade opportunity. We took this one before indeed. So this is the one I think you were talking about. And I think it's indeed a fantastic trade opportunity. With all of that imbalance right there, we have that liquidity built up right there. And I do think if we build, or if we create a lower low right now, that we can actually come back down further. And that's exactly what happened. Entry right underneath that zone, stop loss above that zone, and you target levels like this. So beautiful trade, my man. Congratulations. Absolutely fantastic. Let's hope that we can find more of these potential sabs right here at that specific moment. All right. Mr. Reviewer says, do you trade in any other sessions as well? Absolutely, I do. I do trade the London session sometimes. Overall, I would suggest that it's like 70% New York, 30% London right now. Hey Lorenzo, do you calculate how much you made percentage-wise with the strategy? Because sometimes you don't close one-to-one, but less. Sometimes indeed less, but sometimes indeed more. It depends. It depends. So we're trying to average it out here. That's the way we're doing it. In the meantime, right now, we just entered a US 100 trade as well, so you guys know that I could not resist this trade right here. I do like the setup potentially right now in regards to the US 100. But in the meantime, we can start looking for some other setups that can potentially come and play out right now in a very short term. So let's dive straight into it, guys. I'm very, very excited to get started right now. Looking at the euro against the Australian dollar is the first setup I see that already directly shows me my interest right now, which is right here with that inefficiency underneath that zone, with the bearish divergence on the 1 minute. Sometimes I use the RSI, by the way. You can use it sometimes, but I do not fully always recommend to use it right here. You can see clearly on the 3 minute that we have this beautiful, beautiful zone right there. Absolutely fantastic. So this is what we're looking for. Something like this right now on the euro against the Australian dollar. Targeting this, hopefully entering, exiting, something like this. That will be absolutely fantastic. So if you break that zone here underneath, that could be great. However, I want to wait like at least 5-10 minutes right now to see what we can expect in terms of the open and some news that will come out also very, very soon here. We have some important news coming out, I believe, in 2 hours from now. Okay, so that's going to be nice. That's going to be good. And of course, we have the Canadian dollar interest rate decision. Okay, the Canadian dollar interest rate decision right here. Very, very interesting. So let's set an alert here so we are ready for the euro against the Australian dollar here. The euro against the British pound is coming up right now. This is great. Always good, so I will highlight this right here. And the reason why I will highlight this is because I know that there was expansion. Okay, the fact that there is expansion there is very good for us, because this is exactly what we need. We need expansion in order to create liquidity in order to come down again. So that would be great. Oh, look at the euro against the Japanese yen. Very, very similar. Very similar here. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see if you can get this one right here. That will be fantastic. There we go. Looking good. Then we have also the euro against the. I think this is where we're getting already. I think we're getting there. Okay. Let me look at the euro index, and then we can potentially enter this setup here. Market is looking good. Market is looking way better than yesterday, so I do like what I see here. So the way you want to do it is you want to confirm sometimes with the euro. You want to see exactly what's happening here on the 15-minute. Okay, that's fantastic. Okay. Okay, the next time we break it, we will enter our trade for the euro against the potential Japanese yen here. The SS Lorenzo, did you read the book Trading in the Zone? I absolutely did. This is one of my favorites right here. One of my favorite books in general here in regards to trading. So yes, I definitely did here. Absolutely. By the way, guys, we missed out on this trade here. I'm looking at the euro against the Japanese yen right now. Just so you guys know. By the way, guys, we are up, or we have done 82 trades right now in the last 4.5 weeks. So that's pretty crazy. 82 trades here. We are almost at 100 trades. We're getting there. We're getting there. And I'm looking forward. I'm really, truly looking forward right now. Yes. There we go. We got triggered into our euro Japanese yen position here. Stop loss. 147. 433 right there. 433. Targeting these lows right there. Market is moving very nicely. Very nicely. In the meantime, we're going to look around. I want to already check some more setups right now in the meantime here. To see how that turns out. Kitch1 says, do you think the DXY will go up or is it starting to be really weak? That's a very, very good question, my man. The DXY is creating right now it has created a lower low. However, it wicked in and out. So we need to wait for the daily closure to confirm that. So this will be tonight. Tonight we will find the answer here for the dollar index. That's a very, very good night. A very good signal. At least I do think we're going to come down here in the short term right now in order for us to move further here. To have an answer so we can anticipate on that as well. However, we do have the Wednesday FOMC meeting, which will be the important interest rate decision hike right there. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Very interesting. Expansion is good so far. Expansion is good so far. Let's see what we have here. Yesterday, the market was completely dead here. It started to turn up a little bit later. But today is looking very, very clean, guys. I really, really like it. Strongman says I have my limit at the 30-minute for gold at 1675. That's fantastic, my man. That's great. We're gonna have a look at it later. We're gonna have a look at gold as well. Gold's gonna go is gonna be very, very interesting. Okay, our Euro Japanese yen trade is coming in our direction right now. Slowly but steady. Let's see how we develop here. Same as I used the US 100 trade, by the way, at 11,470. So we are in slight loss. We're just, yeah, pretty much break even right here. Okay. But this is a longer term trade for me right now. Okay. But this is not a scalping setup here. This is a longer term trade I'm looking for right now. So let's see how that develops here. In the meantime, we're coming down relatively nice here. We need to actively manage our trades here. Let's see how it goes. Slowly coming down here. Boom. There we go. First beautiful trade. Easy. Easy start right now. That's why I wanted to always do the macro first. And also the regular setups and stuff. But I want to go hard today. I want to really focus the market. When the market is looking good, I want to take advantage of that. Okay, and this is definitely what we're seeing here. So, fantastic trade. Very nice. That's easy peasy. I mean, this is how easy it is to create to make 1R if you approach the market in the right conditions, right? So yeah. Let's take advantage of that, guys. There we go. Vince says my man's forehead brighter than my feature. I love that shit. I agree. You're shining like a diamond, my brother. Yeah, very clean, very clean trade. Let's go to the next setup here. Petro, my man is back. What's happening, my brother? How are you? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Guys, let's crush it today. Please smash that like button. You would help me out a lot. Our first trade was a beautiful win here. Let's keep this momentum going. Wow, that was a beautiful TP. Immediately reversed from that particular... pretty much exactly from there. That's very nice. These are nice to see, right? Even though there was more inefficiency right there, we had to take this breaker block in consideration here. Okay? This is the reason. This is the reason why we have to be... why we had to cash out there at that particular moment already. But it was a beautiful one-to-one there. Very clean. Very, very nice. There we go. Stop loss would have been too high in this particular trade here. Vincent, do you use any EAs that trades or just trading manually? I just trade by myself. I do like because I love trading. I just love to trade. I mean, an EA would be nice with this strategy, for example. But in general, I loved to trade. I love to trade myself. But definitely, if you can create an EA based on this strategy, we're gonna take over the game. I'm telling you. Yeah, best friend, my man. We need to have a conversation after the stream if you're available. Let me know. Let me know. Let's have a conversation about it. I would love to test it out. Let's have a conversation. Shout out to you, my man. Shout out to you. Very, very nice. Fantastic, my man. Fantastic. We can do a lot of beautiful things together. If you created this and it's working smoothly, we're gonna do. Yeah, we have a lot of things to discuss then. Absolutely. Okay, news coming. Let's see, what kind of news do we have right now in 30 minutes? Do we have something coming in 30 minutes? The retail inventories. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, the Euro Japanese yen. This is how easy it is to make 1%, guys. That's why scalping is so super nice. However, you need to ride market conditions in order to scalp. That's what we figured out here. You need to ride market conditions as well. Okay? So you need to know exactly when to when to go for a, you know, when to skip the market, or when to go for a day trade, or when to go for a scalping solution, for example, right? By the way, our Nasdaq trade right now is in is getting warmed up here. Okay, we are short on the Nasdaq in the yeah, like for the next coming, probably. Let's see how the let's pretty much see how the dollar index closes here tonight, and I think it will hold it overnight. Okay, I will actively manage this setup here. But I do really like it. I do really like what I see here so far for the Nasdaq right now. I want to take out this liquidity. That's my main aspect right now here. Just taking out the liquidity that was built here after we filled up that gap here. We saw that beautiful reaction here so far. We have a lot of things to cover. We have a lot of more liquidity underneath the zone built up right here. I want to see this taken out. I want to see this getting taken out right now. And therefore, I see this as a very clean, solid opportunity. But let's see here. We're going to easily close our position on break even very, very soon. The moment we break these lows. So the moment we break these lows, our stop loss is at break even right here. And that means that from this, our trade is running break even. And that's how easy it sometimes can be. Spotting liquidity. The moment you create a lower low. Stop loss and break even. That's it. Okay. So yeah, that's just the regular setup. Regular trade here on the 15-minute. But in general, we are still looking for, of course, our scalping here. The Euro Japanese yen was a great example. The Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar here. Look at this on the 15-minute, by the way. On the 15-minute or on the 5-minute, it looks very, very nice. It looks pretty good here. We can take that in consideration as well. The only thing is, right now, is that on the lower time frame, you can see clearly that we have all of these zones here that we can hold on towards. So if you look on the 15-minute, I definitely see that this is a massive, expansion right there. We saw already that reaction right now. We're seeing it getting reacted here. Or getting rejected right now at this particular level here. But yeah, let's see how this develops. Let's see how this one develops. In the end, I want to stick on the 5-minute to look for a potential, opportunity. 5-minute, 1 minute is the areas I'm going for right now. Let's get some music going, guys. Let's get some music going. Let's see if we can find something nice here. Let's enjoy this stream. Let's also make some money. I think it sounds like a good idea. What do you guys think? Listen to some nice music. Make some money. Analyze the macros as well. Understanding the news that's coming out very, very soon. See how we can anticipate on the dollar. I mean, life is good, guys. Life is good. And ours says, when do you ordinary trade, like which time? From Switzerland, normally around this time frame. So when around the New York Open. Around the New York Open, I tend to trade. It's a pleasure to meet you, my man. I hope you're doing well, my friend. Thank you for the sub, my man, Salva. What's happening? Kitchwan says, bro, some says that Bitcoin will rebound to 25k. What do you think? Do we still have some room? I think we can definitely rebound. Yeah, if the dollar index decides to come down more, if the VIX decides to come down more, which is definitely possible, then yes, there is more upside potential for Bitcoin. But let's see. Let's see if that's actually the case here. Because right now we are still holding above this zone here. Let's see how we develop right now. But if we create this double bottom and we create a higher high right now, we break this high, then this could be the start of a run to the upside here, pushing the other things down. So far, that's why I'm betting right now on the Nasdaq right now in the short term on the sideline as well for that particular reason. To potentially come back down because of that. But hey, if we create a lower low here, I'm out. I immediately close my position here. So let's see. But in the meantime, we're scalping, waiting for these things to play out. Gold broke the 50 minutes. Okay, let's have a look here. I definitely think that we can come back down here right now. I do not think it's smart to go here and to go for a long right now for gold. I think we can come back down right now as well at this specific level here. I think it makes a lot of sense right now what we're seeing here. Creating that lower low. Very nice actually. Breaking that low here. Potentially putting your stop loss right there and go for a 1-to-1 here. I do think it can definitely be the case. It can definitely be a good trade here. Especially with the dollar index right now on the 30 minute as well, coming back up here. So looking at this actually, yeah, we can take a gold trade. I do like it. I do like it. But it's a little bit of a longer trade. So we can do that. We can do that. I think it's fine. It looks good. We have that inefficiency right here. We have more liquidity built up right there. We broke that zone there. I think it looks relatively decent. However, it's a 30-minute setup, so I'm going to reduce my risk to 0.5 R here. I think that makes the most sense right now. To do that for that specific reason right there. Yeah, I think that looks very good. Let's see how we develop here. But this will take a little bit more time. Just so you guys know. I'm gonna get a drink real quick, guys. I'll be right back. Right, all right. We are back. We are back. gbpjpy says you should listen to some ensemble still. Protka. Okay, okay. What is it? Protka. Let's see if it's there. I'm not even sure if it's actually there. That's the thing here. Ensemble still. Let's see. Unfortunately, I cannot do it. I cannot listen to all the music here. So yeah, I have to take that in consideration. Unfortunately. Actually, we can look on the 5-minute here. It looks pretty good here. I'm gonna enter. I think I'm gonna enter right here for gold right now. I think this is the trade setup I'm looking for. This is the trade setup I'm looking for. I think that's very, very clean. Stop loss above that high here. Go for that one there. I think that one is beautiful. Why it is so nice is because of the... Okay, there we go. I really like it. I think this is great. I think we can go back to this high right there. Coming back down, stop loss above this high right here. There we go, coming down. There we go. In essence, also our Nasdaq trade is also coming into nice profits right now. However, we're gonna probably put our stop loss on break even for the Nasdaq very, very soon here. I need to check out what the Nasdaq is doing, but in general, we're coming there. We're getting there. If you break this low, stop loss on break even here. But this is what we're looking for. Looking to break that low there. That's on eurjpy. I will check it out. I will check it out. We're coming down here, guys. We're coming down here. I risked a little bit more in this case here. Just a regular 1R here. So we're getting there. Okay, we have that zone there, so I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even here for gold. Stop loss and break even for gold. Stop loss and break even. Could be very clean. Could be very clean. We're coming down for gold. Slowly but steady right now. Stop loss is a break even already. Let's see how this develops here. Miram what's up, my man? Hope you're doing well. Mirazim Mirzada. I'm learning names. I'm learning names every single day. It's hard to pronounce sometimes, but We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Zoolander. I'm in EU. Load taken on the 5 minute. Loads of fair value gap underneath. Okay, great, great, great. The reason why I went to stop loss and break even here, slightly higher, so right about there, is because of the movements with gold. This is just my personal experience with gold. Okay, I wanna just clarify myself. I just wanna be secure myself in regards to gold here, and I also risked. To be honest, I risked double the amount as I usually risk. And because of that, I just want to be safe here. I just want to be safe. If my stop loss gets hit or my break-even position gets hit, that's fine. Then I look for a new position here. So this is my personal experience with gold. I need to preserve it in some way. You know what I mean? I want to be careful here. We are done. We have 55. We did a total of 83 trades. We had 55 wins, 18 losses, 10 break even with an average of 0.9 R. Because sometimes we exited a little bit earlier, but that's the way. That's how it works with scalping. Sometimes you have to actively manage your trades. That's what we're looking for. Orange Glory says, "Hey Lorenzo, Orange Glory says, "Hey Lorenzo, do you know where we can get some info about how to do it the best way with tax, registering and stuff?" I highly recommend you to come into my Discord and contact me privately, because we are setting up all the structures here. We're taking things to the next level here, of course. It's very, very important that you take care of your taxes as well, especially if you make profits already. Very important. And we're not doing anything illegal. Nothing illegal. Let's put that up front here. Rules are there not to be broken, but to be banned. Okay, we're coming down, we're coming down. Slowly but steady here. This is what we wanted. Okay. I could pretty much already exit my position because I risked twice as much, but that's not the way we're doing it here. I want to go and I want to look at this particular move. There is a chance that we come back a little bit lower because we have all of that. There are a lot of orders in these candles right here. There are a lot of orders there. So I probably will exit very, very soon. Right now, for example. I think that makes the most sense here. We have all these orders right there. I risked already twice as much. So we're up significant here. That was a $500 trade here. So that's nice. That's more than 1%. Okay. There we go, guys. Second trade done. I just look at these order blocks right here. This potential rally-based rally. I think that we're gonna see reaction from there. I do not want to wait on that already. My position was in break even first, and I risked already twice as much than usual. That's why my position went to break even very fast here. So I'm happy with the result here. US 100 almost break even. So that's very, very clean. Oh, anyways. For the guys that are in, that were still on the trade, congratulations if you joined me. Beautiful trade setup. There we go. 2-0. Target for the US 100 is actually a longer term trade setup. Okay, I entered right there. I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even the moment we break these lows here. And then I'm targeting these lows. I'm targeting these lows right here. I want this liquidity to be taken out. And I want the Nasdaq to be mitigating in this area of demand here. That's my exit. So round about this zone here. Let's see if we can break these lows here so I can put my stop loss on break even there. Okay. That was a beautiful trade, by the way, guys. It was a beautiful trade set up here. Hope you guys liked it. Broke the lows. Entered here. Waited for the retest. Entered there. Stop loss above this high. Targeting this level here. Easy, easy trade. Okay. Let's go to the next setup here. Boom. What's happening, guys? What is happening today? That's crazy. I have to say that's pretty crazy. Let's see if it makes sense here. We have a zone in the middle. That could be a little bit of a headache there. That could be a little bit of a headache. Let's look at the dollar index. I mean, the dollar index looks very good, guys. The dollar index looks very good. Looks like a beautiful double bottom here. We created another higher high here. We have more inefficiency right there as well. So there is more upside potential in the short term for the dollar index, which has to push the price of the Australian dollar, US dollar down. So I do like it. Something like this looks very, very good. It's actually a double top pretty much as well, with a lower high already and now a lower low. So this looks like a clean area of supply as well. So if you put your stop loss above that range, you kind of have a security layer. Let's say you come back up right now and you tap into that zone, mitigate, then you can still come back down as well towards this level. And this is indeed a very important zone you have to take into consideration there. The only thing that we have to be careful about is that 10-minute area of demand here. That's this level here. We need to be a little bit careful. But if the dollar index decides to go further up towards that direction, then there is nothing to worry about. Nothing at all here. If you guys want to know indeed exactly the strategy that I'm using here, we are purposefully testing this live 100 trades. The reason why is what I want to know exactly what the win rate will be, or what the win rate is of this strategy here. That's why I showed you the strategy here. It's a 35-minute video. Watch it. You understand exactly how the strategy works. We're going to do 100 trades live to see what the win rate is. Then we have full proof for you that it's a profitable strategy. And that you guys can test it out yourself here. Okay, so what we're doing, because of that, is we are right now at 84 trades so far. We have done 55 wins, 18 losses, and 10 break even. We're almost there. We're almost there. We can maybe push it even lower, by the way. Now I'm looking at it. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Okay, I think this is a 15-minute trade setup here. Look at the dollar index. I do think it aligns here very nicely. In terms of the euro against the US dollar, let's have a look. Yeah, we should have done this like 20 minutes ago already. You already talked about this, I know that. So thank you. But we were in our gold trade at that specific moment there. We were already in our gold position here. So yes, let's stick with the Australian dollar, US dollar, and let's see how it goes here. Let's see if it makes a lot of sense. So far, I'm waiting still. I'm not in position yet. I'm waiting for a good reaction here, so I'll keep you guys updated. Angie says, hi Lorenzo, I just arrived. Okay, show me quickly the trades today. Go back into the chart, my man. Go back into the live stream. Scroll back. We just did 2 trades here. Gold and what was the other trade? And the euro against the Japanese yen. Gold and the euro against the Japanese yen. These were very, very nice trades. Very clean trades. Okay, we got trigger. We are in our position here. We are in our position right now for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. We are still in a position for the Nasdaq as well. You guys know that. However, I need to manage this actively here. I need to see exactly what happened here. I want to create a lower low. That's what we want to see, or that's what we would like to see right now. Creating a lower low. So we can put our stop loss on break even there. Unless we're gonna create a certain specific candle here in the market that I do not like here. Let's see. Indra, be honest, Lorenzo, is it really possible to become a billionaire from trading? A billionaire? Bro, don't think too far ahead, my man. But of course, everything is possible. Absolutely. You just need external capital. Kasasper says you can from investing, but not from trading. You can definitely get that. You can make $1 billion from trading. I do believe that. You need external capital. You need multiple outputs. You need a license. You need to make sure that you can buy or sell OTC. There are hedge funds that are trading with billions of dollars every single day. So you just need to get your hedge fund license, attract some capital, build up a solid network. And yeah, definitely possible. No, it's definitely possible. Definitely possible. DJ FX says, how much do people eat percentage a week? Oh, that's a good question. It depends. It depends, of course. Limitless. Lauren says with Limitless. What's up with Limitless, my man? Anches, why don't you put the TP and stop loss in empty form? I'm actively managing my trades here. Bipski says, hi Lorenzo, do you have a before and after of the trades taken with this strategy? Before and after. I don't know, we're still testing it out, my man. We have done 84 trades live with this strategy. You can find exactly what this strategy is. It's a 35-minute video, explains everything. After the 100 trades, we know what the win rate will be. So we're still in the testing phase here, but so far looks very good. So let's see. Let's see how it will go here. Okay, this is what we need to be a little bit careful of. This particular zone here. This is the only thing that I'm looking for. This particular candle. For the rest, I'm just looking at the dollar index right now. So let's see how this develops. Okay. Our stop loss is pretty wide here. So in overall, I'm quite confident, to be honest. But let's see how it goes. In the meantime, let's have a look at some other setups as well. So you don't have to wait as well, right? I think we have some more trades here. GU is the setup. GU is the setup, guys. Very similar to AU here. And to our gold trade was also gold's coming down a little bit more even. But yeah, GU is coming into play here. Beautiful expansion. However, for GU, we want to see something a little bit different. We want to break this low. We don't want to break this low. We want to break this low. This is the low we want to break here. Then we can create something like this here. Stop loss underneath, entry underneath. Something like that. Something like that could be very good here. Let's see how this develops. In the meantime, we still have our Australian dollar US dollar trade here. So yeah, we need to be a little bit. We need to actively manage right here. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. This is something that I have to be careful about right now. This candle. This is what was my only worry at the beginning already. So let me check one more time with the dollar index right now. And see how we close this 5-minute candle. Otherwise, we're gonna go out. We're gonna go out. Let's see how we develop here. Because it was this particular level here. This particular area of demand right now. Okay. I'm gonna go out to break even here. I'm gonna go out to break even. I think it's time for, right now, for the dollar index to make a little bit move back. This is a break-even trade here. And the reason why I went for break-even for this specific trade is because of this particular zone. I saw this zone already on the 10-minute. I just wanted to still look for it. If the dollar index would keep going up here, we would go through it. But because we didn't, and we started to, you know, consolidate a little bit. Yeah, I'm very careful here. So yeah, we're actively managing trades here. Okay, we're looking for setups that are going woof down consistently. That's the setups we're looking for. That's how we make money, and that's how we preserve our capital as well. So yeah. However, I still have my eyes on GU as well. If we break that level, then I'm still having my eyes on GU if the dollar index continues to come up here. Guys, I was supposed to... Oh, yes, please, guys, send me a message and we're gonna get this sorted. You had access to the Discord. Let's get things sorted out here. We're gonna upgrade our Discord tremendously in the next coming weeks here. We're gonna change the whole game up right now. Let's see what they're doing, actually. What are they doing here?
Because I already have it, right?
Yeah, I see.
This is shocking 1 minute time frame. So
Yeah.
if we break this other block at 64.50.
Pretty much they're crushing it as always. This is what we're doing here. We're hosting events right now. They're live trading in the Discord as well, besides YouTube. So when I'm not live, sometimes we're doing these live trading sessions here in the Discord as well. Very, very nice with all the people in our community. So many familiar faces right now. It's really, really nice to see that we're creating a true family at this specific moment. Old, young, long, short, white, black, Asian. Nobody cares. We are all equals here. We're building something fantastic. By the way, we're still having a close eye on these setups right here. It's shared also in the mentor charts right now. I'm still looking at gold from this specific zone right here and the US dollar and the USD. Sorry, the retracement of the Australian dollar against the US dollar is still something that we're looking for right now as well. Yogi says Discord video voice call is blocked in many countries. Really? Okay, then you need to do the VPN. Then you need to do the VPN right here. If you want to join our Discord, links in the description. We ask for a one-time fee of around $50 lifetime access. Which is, in my opinion, not that much compared to other ones as well. But yes, we're going to change a lot of things up in the Discord right now. So if you enter right now, you will still have this price right here. Okay, let's wait for GU to come back down to break these lows here. I think it's very, very interesting. We were looking at AU right now, but I'm not cool. I'm not happy with this particular order block right there. With this this reaction from this area of demand. So I'd rather skip it. And I'd rather wait for GU to play out here. GU is super clean. And I think I really like what I see here. There is just a huge gap in between. So because of that, I am... I think I'm a bit more bearish on GU right now. So let's put an alert here, so we are ready. Let's come down. We have done 3 trades right now. In the first 15 minutes. Two winning trades, 1 break even. We're trying to... Yeah, the market is looking very good today. The market is looking scalp worthy today. So very nice. What lot size would you suggest on the 50k account? I would never risk more than 1%. And if you're very sure, I would maybe go to 2%. But it's only if you have a significant win rate here. But, and that's if you have it on your personal account. If it's on a funded account, I would never go higher than 1%. The Discord link is in the description, my man. Yeah, I really like GU on the 5 minute. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful setup here. Just want to break these lows here. Very, very important. If you break these lows here, I'm in. I mean, I think it's a beautiful setup. I think our exit is beautifully as well at this specific high here. That could be perfect. We entered there, 1-to-1, stop loss above that high. Break these lows, entering. We have a confirmation here that this area of demand is broken. We fill up that inefficiency right here. And we target these highs there. Shira says, can't I use crypto to pay cars? Does not work. Have you tried it? If it's not working, then send me a message on Instagram indeed. We can get things sorted. Oh, you're 14 years old. Congratulations, my man. You're 14 years old and you're already trying to become a trader. You're trying to trade here. Congratulations. I'm very proud of you, my man. That's a beautiful age to get started. The younger, the better. If you're serious, you don't have to make a lot of money yet, or you don't have to risk that much money yet. Don't go crazy. But to learn a skill on this age already, bro, you have a bright future ahead of you. That's for sure. He's already funded. Legend. Legend. Send me a message on Instagram, my man. By the way, guys, in regards to the USD cut here, if we come back down to this 5 minute area of demand here, I'm looking for a long as well. I'm not looking this for the regular, for this regular scalping strategy that we're implementing, but just for you guys, for, you know, a retest of this particular zone here. We created a lower low, a higher high, and then a retest right here. So a chuck to the downside, a change of character to the upside, then a beautiful retracement as well from swing low here to swing high, tapping into the 50. Beautiful area of demand right now. If we retrace back down, I'm looking for a long opportunity right now. I do think it aligns here with the dollar index as well. Let me put up the dollar index right now for you guys. I do think it aligns here so far. I do like what I see here on the 1 hourly, the reaction that we got right now. So I'm looking for a long for the USD cut here. So I'm gonna also share this on right now in the Discord as well. So we have that updated. Looking for a long from this specific move right there. Okay. I would enter my position there. I would put my stop loss underneath, maybe a little bit wider. I would target these ranges right here, these lows right there. Something like that. I would go for something like this. Aligning with the dollar index. There we go. So yes, I'm gonna enter this position as well. I'm looking for a position there right now. Let's see how it applies here. Okay, this is going to be a beautiful trade, guys. I think it looks very, very clean. It aligns beautifully from swing low to swing high here. Also on the lower, on the higher time frame. I think, let me go back here. Yes, we held beautifully also in this specific area of demand right here. And I think this was exactly what we were waiting for. So, beautiful reaction so far. On the 5 minute, we have that higher high. Actually, this is the confirmation trade we are looking for. Retracement. Entry right there, coming back up in that area. So could be a nice 4-to-1 right here. In the meantime, we're still waiting for our scalping trade setup to play out here. We have our alert set. So in the meantime, we can look for some other opportunities right now. Indeed, we have the Canadian dollar news coming. Thank you for sharing that. But I keep a tight risk management here, so I would potentially go for it anyways. Artis says, just joined your channel on Discord. Looks great. Congrats, my man. Welcome, 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 Arthur. Arturus. Thank you for being in our community, my man. Enjoy. Go to the voice chat as well. Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. You don't have to talk, but just say hello. Say hello in the voice chat here in the chat. We love to introduce you guys as well. So that's fantastic.
Then they don't cover completely, and then
sorry for that. Okay, Prashant says, please eurjpy. In my opinion, I think the eurjpy need to be we need to be a bit more patient here. I mean, it's a beautiful reaction so far. I like what I see here. But I think we have to draw it down back to the... this is the lower low, swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high. We have to wait for the pullback. We have to wait for the pullback right now, and I think the pullback will come when the dollar index decides to come up here. So let's see. I think you need to be a little bit more patient for the EURUSD, somewhere around this range, somewhere around the 98.74. Okay, we have done 3 trades so far. Let's see if we can... we have to be a little bit patient right now because we're waiting for the expansion again. However, there are 2 trades that we're looking for. USD cut is one of them right now. GU is the second one right here. That is preparing for us right now. Hopefully we can come back down here. Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer right now. The moment we break that low, I'm looking forward to potentially enter this position here. Target this level here. Gus says, hey, I've sent you a message on Instagram. My Insta is Corvux55. Perfect, my man. Perfect. I will get back to you after the stream, my friend. Guys, let's crush it today in today's stream. Please help me out by smashing that like button. You would help me out tremendously here. And I hope you can get some pips at the same time. So, a win-win. A win-win. Thank you. Okay, we're coming very close right now for GU. So that's very good. Thank you for the support, guys. Much love. Thank you so much. Look at the euro against the British pound, by the way. Look at all that liquidity built on the upside, guys. Look at all that inefficiency built up right there as well. This looks very good. This does look very, very good. A lot of stop losses are above this area right here. They're gonna take this out aggressively. Maybe I'll take a small position on EJ right now. Maybe. I need to wait for the confirmation. But maybe I'll take a small position on EJ when we break this highs here. To take out the liquidity there. Shiro says, can you make a video on the Discord war walkthrough? Go to Limitless Trading Academy, limitlesstrading.net. Have a check on the video. You will see exactly what we are building right there. So if we break these highs, it's gonna get very interesting for the euro against the British pound here. The reason why I like it is because of this area of demand here. Potentially, this order block is very, very interesting, but we need to break these highs here. Or sorry, this area of demand here, very important. So if we break these highs here, then this area of demand is becoming very, very important. And because of that, we can start looking at a particular move. So if you break this high right now, then probably enter there. Stop loss will be there. Take profit will be somewhere around there. Understand, there's a lot of stop losses built up. People are going short here. People going short here. People are going short right now. Where are they putting their stop losses? All here, above this range here. Where is the inefficiency? Where is the imbalance in the market? Where is that gap? Right there. Look how big it is. This just simply looks like a massive amount of liquidity that gets built up on the upside here. And yeah, let's take advantage of that, I would say. So yes, we have EJ. We are waiting for GU. We're coming very close here. You guys know how GU and EJ work. They're correlated, right? They're inversely correlated. So yeah, GU down, EJ up. Could make a lot of sense here. In the meantime, we are still in our beautiful, beautiful... Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. We are still in our beautiful Nasdaq position here. We were patient here in regards to the Nasdaq right now. But yeah, we're still here. We're still in our position. We entered round about there. On this level here. Short. We want to break these lows. If the moment we break that level here, that's exactly the moment when I put my stop loss and break even. I'm targeting these lows here. These lows right there. So yeah, let's see how that develops. GU, yes, Rocco, yes. We're waiting for GU to play out here. So to break the lows and then coming back further up here. This is what we're waiting for. Zoolander says, hi, EJ, I have a 5-minute buy stop into a sell of the hourly EC. Hope of a buy from 30-minute OB around 86.75. Let's see. 86.7. I see what you mean. Yeah. That's fantastic. Fantastic. Beautiful, my man. Beautiful. I want a different light, guys. I want a different lighting. Give me 1 second. All right. Let's see what we can find here. Whoa, that's a little bit too much. Let's see how we can. There we go. Okay, GU, let's come. Let's go down, guys. Let's go down. This is the setup we're looking for. Okay, our Nasdaq trade is doing good. Our Nasdaq trade is slowly but steady doing well. Yeah, we have some very important news for the Canadian dollar. We have to take that in consideration. You're completely right about this part, indeed. You're completely right. But this is going to be a beautiful trade. If we break these highs there, I think it's going to be very, very clean. There's a lot of liquidity built up here, guys. A lot of liquidity built up to the upside here. So, we can... Yeah, there we go. We can join. This area of demand right there. So let's break highs. Let's break highs right there. Okay, in terms of GU, massive expansion to the upside. Right now. Waiting for it to break these lows here. It's a very important level to break because this whole zone is what we need to take consideration right there. Shira says, I joined the Discord and got timed out in Discord. Why? I have no idea. What happened here? Let me know. Let me confirm that. What's your name, my friend? Let me check that real quick for you. Ah, okay. So you've sent a file, my man. You've sent a file, and it was not a non-downloadable file. And when it's not an actual image, it could also be a lot of. It could be spam, right? It could be something dangerous for the community here. So please send a message. Look at your DM and respond to him, and then he will fix it for you straight away. But it's just to protect the community, because sometimes people share suspicious files that are dangerous here. No, you're good. You're good, my man. You just need to tell him what you wanted to send, and then it's all good. Okay, let's see. Okay, in the meantime, we're waiting for GU here. Wow. Okay. Wow. Look at that reaction so far. Very clean. Okay, stop loss of US 100 goes to break even right now. Winning break even trade here. Very clean. Stop loss to break even. Okay, looking good, looking good. The Nasdaq is coming down significantly here. So we have taken out some of these lows here. That was an aggressive move right now. We had the market opening up here. So that's very good. The USD cut will probably come down as well. When do we have the news coming out for the USD cut? In okay, 4 minutes, guys. We have news coming out for the US dollar. Nothing crazy here. We have 25 minutes till the USD cut news. So I do want to be a little bit careful here for the USD cut right now. But overall, I do like it here. I do like what I've seen here for the Nasdaq right now. Mr. Reviewer, yes. Okay, that was a regular, yeah, beautiful. So this is, no matter what happens, a winning trade right now. So yeah, in the meantime, we're waiting for some other pairs to play out here. Let's see if we can find something right now. The market opened there as well, so that's good. 25 minutes, we have some high impact news coming out. We have to take that in consideration here. But that does not mean we can just wait and look for some significant setups right now. We just have to be a little bit patient here. Expansion. But EJ is looking very, very nice. I really like what I see here. Okay, more interesting things as well for the US dollar against the Swiss franc right now. We have that gap here. Do take that into consideration, but the USD cut here. I really like this setup here. However, I'm kind of in the middle here because of the news that's coming out. But it looks very, very nice. Very, very clean. See what else. All right. Okay, this is an interesting move here. I do like it. I do like the USD cut right now. However, we have some news coming out, so it's high risk. It's a very high risk setup. It's a very high risk trade setup here. So I do not recommend it if you are. And the reason why it's high risk, well, everything makes sense from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. However, with the news coming out right now for and the dollar and the Canadian dollar, I mean, that's going to be very interesting. That's going to be a little bit, that could be very volatile here. So there we go. Yeah, something like this. It looks very clean. It looks very good. But we have news coming in 20 minutes. I like the reaction so far. I like the reaction so far here. K4, Satcher, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Okay, keep a very close eye on the euro against the British pound, guys. This trade is definitely in the making here. If you break these highs here, definitely gonna go long there. It'll definitely be something like this. Will be a very, very clean trade. The lower the better it will be. The lower the better it will be. So then we create something like this. So definitely a trade setup we're looking for. Very, very clean. Let's see if we can break some... yeah, if we can finish the day very nicely. We have done 3 trades so far. We have still 1 trade right now in position, which is the Nasdaq. Stop loss is already at break even right here. So if we can do a couple more trades, would be absolutely fantastic. Lork says, are you live every day? Yes, I am live from Tuesday to Friday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then in the weekend, we drop a video. Some education as well sometimes. Well, during the week, we're testing out the strategy right now. We have done 85 trades here in the last 4.5 weeks. We want to do 100 trades live. If you want to do 100 trades live, or if we have done these 100 trades live, we know exactly what the win rate of this particular strategy is. So far, our win rate is really high. Or really high. It's pretty high. Pretty high. I'm still not sure, 100% sure yet, what the win rate will be. Because these are 72 trades. If you remove the break-even trades, because, yeah. We're at 75% for now. Okay, news coming in 15 minutes, guys. We're just going to prepare some setups right now. But the USD cut is definitely a setup we're looking for. Because of news, potentially as well. But it's gonna get very volatile. It's gonna get very wild here. So maybe we're gonna keep a little bit of a less, like a lower lot size, a little bit of a, you know, more variety of stop loss, a little bit of higher stop loss, so we don't get stopped or wicked out for no reason. And then potentially see what we can do. Because Ape says, I made 100% of my portfolio today. My portfolio was $6. Now I'm at $12. I'm just happy learning. No more trades for today. We'll review my trades for tomorrow. That's the right mindset, my friend. Very good. Very good. Congratulations here. We're coming very, very close here. 14 minutes till the rate hike for the Canadian dollar. For the news also from the US dollar here. Okay, very, very nice. Einar says, are you making orders right now? Yes, definitely, definitely. We're just waiting right now for some setups to play out here. We are already in the Nasdaq right now, short. Stop loss is on break even. Let's open another tab here. Could you go through your orders? I suggest to go to yeah, we are short Nasdaq right now. We are short Nasdaq right here at 11,470. We entered at 11,470. Right now, if you want to see the past 3 trades we did, then go back into the stream. You will find it there. One was gold, Australian dollar, US dollar, and euro against Japanese yen. So we have news coming in 11 minutes. Very important news. Very, very important. This is coming. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna get very, very soon. So pretty significant here. Pretty significant raise. It's gonna be. Let's see what the decision will be here. Well, they're probably gonna raise it up here. Gonna be interesting. There's definitely a trade we're going to take, for sure. Euro against the British pound is looking very condensed, very solid. I do like what I see. I see that there is clear liquidity built up above that level as well. And a massive gap in between. In terms of the USD CAD, we have to be a little bit patient here. We need to wait what the news will do here. But this is another setup we can take consideration as well, which is going to be very, very good. So a lot of trades today. A lot of trade setup potentially coming our way. Antonio says, why do you still use the cut should go up since the last time the raise rates market went down and then went up? I had to do with the dollar index. Dollar index is potentially coming up right now. At least we're still aiming for that. We're still aiming for that right now. As of now. We have created higher high. We wanna hold there. Let's see. Yeah, this is definitely the trade for now. In the end, our gold trade was very good. Because we entered here, we exited pretty much here. A little bit higher here. And we see that you hold and then we immediately reverse back up here. So this is why you just want to get your profits and get out of there. That's why we're scalping. Okay, when we're day trading and so on, which we're also doing on the side here right now. For example, we have the USD 100, you have other pairs as well that we have to take consideration. You know, it's a little bit of a different story, but for scalping, you want to get your profits and get out of there. So that was a very good trade. Very good trade. Look at the USD cut, by the way, guys. Look at this. Kind of front running here. Front running right now. A little bit front running, to be honest. But it is what it is here. We have to wait for the news that will come out as well. So do not really worry about this part right here. Okay, we are keeping a close eye on it right now. But you know, we're heading there. We're heading in the right into the right direction right now. In the end, EJ is ready. It's coming very, very close right now. This is definitely a trade that we're going to take her. Guys, I'm the DJ right now. All right. I was I'm very sorry for the music. Okay, I'm trying to give it a little bit more of a better vibe today. Okay, news is coming out 5 minutes, guys. Get ready. Get ready for the news here. Don't trade right now. Wait 5 minutes. We're gonna get ready. Our setups are ready here. We're still looking for some other setups, scalping setups as well. But wow, look at the USD cut right now. Wow, look at that. It's going for it. It's going for it. Okay. Our setups are ready. In the meantime, if you guys see some other setups right now that are interesting, let me know. Let me know. Especially some regular scalping setups right now. Okay. But we have our setups ready. We have our regular setups pretty good right now. So let's see. Potentially US oil can come into play here. Also regards to the USD cut, right? But that's pretty much it for now. That's pretty much it. We have our setups. Five minutes, guys. Big news coming out. Canadian dollar. The BOC monetary policy report. The BOC rate statement. The interest rate decision. And the USD new home sales. Okay. What do you mean with setups? Setups are trading setups. These are the setups we're looking for. Potential trades. Santiago says, wouldn't that 50-minute supply above the for gold position be a good trade? Yes, potentially yes. Potentially, yes. Yeah. It's actually, yeah, you're right. You're right. Swing high to swing low here. Equilibrium. You're right, yes. You're definitely right. This could be a setup here. Thank you for the sub, man. Daily Life. Beautiful name. Beautiful name. Okay, news coming in 2 minutes, guys. That's why we're a little bit patient here. EuroJpy is waiting for us. The more consolidation, the more aggressive our trade is going to be. It's going to be very good. Okay? Okay, news coming in 1 minute, guys. 1 minute to go. Redland says, what does the FVG mean on the chart? It's the fair value gap. The fair value gap. That's an imbalance in the market. Okay, we have 1 minute to go. I'm very curious actually to the dollar index here and to gold here as well. So it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Discord. Keep you guys updated as well, guys. So if you want to know exactly what we're looking for, you know what's up here. Also in the voice chat right now, they're discussing probably the news. Will come out very, very soon here. There we go. Okay, bullish. Bullish for the dollar here. Okay, bearish for the dollar in this sense. Bullish in this sense. Okay, it's quite stable. Quite even here. Okay, the interest rate decision is very similar. The interest rate is very similar. Look at that setup, guys. This is what happened here. When we look at this trade, this is what we call front running right there. This is what we call front running right there. That would have been a... Okay, let's take this one. An instant 6-7R trade. That was our setup, guys. That was our setup. Right there. Boom. Hey, this is part of trading, guys. This is part of trading. This is part of trading. Alright? But you saw it. You saw that announcement here. Unfortunately, yeah, front running a little bit. We did not get triggered. We would. I'm personally will never change it up. I would never put my entry next time a little bit higher or whatever. Order block is order block. This is where we enter from in this case. So look at that reaction here. Wow, beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay. The US 100, we got stopped out on break even here. Nothing spectacular. This was not our scalping strategy. This was just a regular setup that we were looking for. So that's also fine. In the end, we made, yeah, 2R today. 2% so far. Which is not bad. Which is not bad. But this is the setup we're looking for. Look at that. That would have been an easy 8R right there. We were so close. We were so close, okay? But you know, we keep you guys updated. Sometimes we catch it, sometimes we do not catch it like this, and we get front run. That's just the way it is here. That's just the way it is. But beautiful. No way we're FOMOing into setups here. Okay? Just so you guys know that. How to join your Discord? Links in the description, my man. Link is in the description. You can find us there. Limitlesstrading.net or this one right here. Gold. Let's have a look at gold here. Trading view, always when there is a news release, trading view is getting a little bit slower. Okay. That's it's quite annoying to be honest, but there we are. We are back. Guys, look at that setup. That was absolutely crazy. That was pretty crazy. Maybe it's let's see if it's this right here. Look at that setup. Look at that trade, guys. Wow. Boom. That would have been an 8R right there. That's pretty crazy. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay, let's get to gold here. Okay, this is looking very interesting right now. In the meantime, we're still waiting for a scalping setup right here. We're coming very close right now. There we go. EJ is coming up here. Did you keep the buy limit in the USD cut? No, I removed it. No. USD cut is gone here. We got front run. We were looking at it. It was a beautiful. In my opinion, it was a beautiful order block as well. But it reversed from this breaker right there. Yeah, to the moon, guys. To the moon. That would have been 8% like that. That's just the way it is. Okay, in terms of gold, we're waiting for gold here. Let's break these lows here. And then we're going to see here. In the meantime, we have our setup ready, which is the euro against the... D, how are you doing, Lorenzo? I'm doing very well. How are you doing? Working very hard behind the scenes. I'm trying to build something to hopefully release it to mid-November. So we're doing a lot of things. I'm looking forward to share it with you very soon. When are you going to sell gold? When we break a lower low on the lower time frame, like the 1, 2, 3 minute here. I want to see a reversal. I want to see a lower low. I need to share this real quick with the team as well, because that was pretty wild. There we go. Wow, that would have been crazy. Okay, our Euro GBP trade is coming up here. I really like the market today. Looks, it's very nice. A lot of volume. This is how I perform the best personally. When there's more volume in the market, this is exactly when I make the money here. Beer Bob says, which downwick would you use for the stop? I would go for this one right here. At 0.86547. Right about that zone here. But it depends. It depends when we break it. It depends when we break it. Let's see how we break it right now. And then we can... Wait, then we can actually figure out exactly where our stop loss is going to be. I think we're gonna break very soon here. Okay, we're coming very close. We're coming very close right now. Santiago Vega says, should I already place a buy stop, or are you waiting to enter the market with a are you waiting to enter with a market order? So yes, I wait for now, this case, to wait with a market order here, because I'm using the magic keys here. I want to be I'll have to be a little bit patient right now. What else do we have? What else do we have? Let's see. Okay, let's okay, we're gonna set an alert here so we do not waste too much time here. We can our alert is set right now. So it's a matter of looking around here. Let's see what we can find. Okay, beautiful expansion here. Very, very good. Any retest I would trade here. Any retest I would potentially trade. If you come up here, stop loss above this zone. Targeting these highs here, lows here. Only if you see retest right now. Don't you think it's counter trading on the Euro GBP? If we break these highs, we create a higher high. After we've created a lower low. If you look at the Euro index, we're quite bullish. So I'm not sure if I think it's counter trading here. We tapped in an area of demand here. So in my opinion, looking quite good here. Any retest here is going to be a trade as well. Why I trade on a retest? Because we missed it. We missed it. Kevin Ferosa says, love your strategy, bro. It's doing wonders for me. I appreciate it. That's very, very nice, man. Great. Yeah, we're almost there. We have 15 trades to go to get 100 trades. But in essence, I think I want to aim for the 100 trades without the break-evens, right? Without the break-even setups here. Still a little bit patient here. Santiago V says New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar looks good. Yeah, very similar indeed. Let's set things up here. I need to set some things up real quick. Optimist says, bro, EJ accumulating from London Open. This should be a big move. Yeah, I do think so. I do believe that. DJ Space, because it could also be a drop-based drop, and your entry is the liquidity grab of the range. It's currently forming. A drop-based drop. Let's see on the 1 hourly. Drop-based drop. Drop-based drop. We already had this drop. Mitigating into this zone here. Tapped into this zone already. Once, twice. Going to the lower time frame. Accumulating. Now, I think if you create a higher high here, that we have a big chance here. To come at least to test this range here. No. I think I will stick with the analysis here personally. I do like it. Listen, it's probability, right? It's a probability, but for this scalping setup here, if we break these highs, we are hiring our probability already. Because we took out these highs already. There is a lot of liquidity above the zone. There is a massive gap in between that zone. We have been consolidating strongly here. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. In terms of GBP cut, we're looking for something like this here. To break these lows here. Because if you break these lows here, it could be very interesting. That means that you could go in from here. You could add the exit here and go for a 1-to-1. And that could align very nicely. But we have to break the lows right now. We cannot create a higher high here. That's very important. What do you think of EU? I will get back to EU very soon. We're coming very, very close here with... Gonna enter very soon here. "20 seconds. There we go. Okay. In positioning. Let's see how this plays out here. Broke the lows. We created another low. We created that zone here. I do like that we created a lower low again, and that was for me the trigger here. In the meantime, EJ is still consolidating right now. It's still consolidating. We have the London close in 30 minutes here. This is something that we have to take into consideration right now. Kidsman says next gold, please. I will check it out. Check it out. Oops, MZ says, hi Lorenzo, what's up, my man? Hope you're doing well. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. We'll get a drink real quick. We are in position. We are back. We are back. We are back. What's happening? What's happening? Okay, we're coming down. EJ is coming up. We're getting there. Okay, not yet. We didn't broke the highs yet. So we have to be patient here. We're coming down. We're coming down. Okay, you can put your stop loss right now there. I still like it. I still like what I see here. EJ is coming up as well. Normally we don't really do that, but I do like it. We have been waiting for the setup for a while here. We're getting very, very close as well here. Okay, we're coming close, guys. We're coming close. Very good. Okay, nothing spectacular yet for the euro against the British pound. We have to be a very close eye on it right now. Let's focus on GC right now. Moving back up here. You have some significant zones to hold above right now. To be honest, it's not going to be easy for them. So so far I'm quite happy with the entry here. I think it's quite nice. Futures move up. All right, all right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out a little bit of profit here. That will be enough right now. Let me do that real quick. So I can put my stop loss right there already. So I break even if I get triggered there. So that means that my stop loss will be here. And I will break even if I get triggered. There we go. But let's just come down. That will be better. Let's go.
Mr. Fundamental People.
Okay. We're getting close. We're getting close. Let's see how this candle closes here. Getting there, guys. There we go. Boom. We are out. Literally at the bottom here. We're very close watching the candles here. Very, very close watching the candles playing out right there. Purposefully. For me, this is a solid reason to go out here. Okay, look at this. Exactly what I mean. Managing trades here. Okay, we made like 0.8% on this trade. So we made today's a very good day, guys. Let's go. Guys, smash that like button. Let's get this started. We're doing this for you. The only thing I'm asking is if you can smash that like button. That would help me with grow. Attract more people as well. It's a win-win. Let's make it a win-win for both of us. Thank you. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for. Sometimes you can still come down, right? But I'm just, when I see a candle like that closing, for me, that's a signal of a potential reversal coming into play. And when I'm already up that much, I'm like, okay, that makes, that's for me is fine. Because I've seen many times when you see this and then suddenly, boom, you start to come up here. So, for me, that's enough. Okay, very nice, very nice. EJ. We are still waiting for EJ here. Let's keep it up. Let's see what happens here. Well, yeah. $86 trades. Wow. Today, 3 with... Oh, let me move this a little bit. So today, 3 wins, 1 break even. This is when the market is looking very, very nice here. And you can tell it's a Wednesday. You can definitely tell it's a Wednesday. You can definitely tell it's a Wednesday. Absolutely. If you want to know more about my strategy, what I'm using, go to this video. It's a 35-minute video explaining everything about this particular strategy right here. Also, if you want to join the broker that I'm using, that's called BlueBerryMarkets. I trust BlueBerryMarkets tremendously. I have already got a lot of good responses as well from the guys that are joining in the community as well. One of the best brokers in my opinion, but you have to follow the link in order to get the right deal. This is very, very important here. But customer support is everything. Spreads is everything. And most importantly, the slippage. You want a fast slippage, fast execution of trades, no delays whatsoever. So if you want to join, you can join and you can get your money back from your Discord fee as well. So if you join the Discord, you can get your money back. You just need to prove that you are in the Discord and you can get your money back for free as well. EJ, Coming up next, the guys. EJ coming up next. Where is our song? Where is our song? It's time for our song, ladies and gentlemen. Because we're waiting for the setup. We all made some money today. Laughing to the bank. Jamie Clay says gold has also zero commissions on BlueBerryMarkets. This is why we're getting out here. You see that? This is why you need to actively manage your trades, okay? Ha 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 ha, laughing to the bank.
I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a metal.
Alright, we're back. That was nice. Okay. Finn Nicholson says, which candle was it which made you go out of the GBP Canadian dollar trade? Yeah, I'll show you. It was this one. Right here. An indecisive candle. There are two candles I'll wait for in order for me to go out of my position when I'm already more than 50% in profit. Okay, so more than 50% in profit. 50% of that setup, right? And that is an indecisive candle. Wicks on either side. Green or red if we are going long, right? Or a Thor hammer. A Thor hammer right there. These are the two candles I use to close my position when I'm more than 50% of my trade setup in profit. Andres says, next account I open for sure is Blueberry with your link. I'm tired of ECM slippage. Oh, IC markets. Yes, absolutely. I had this many times myself. Yeah. I mean, I love IC markets. It's a great broker. Trusted. But yeah, slippage is very important. I think they got a lot of users. I think they just got a lot of users. They need to upgrade the servers. EJ, buy or sell, looks choppy. I want to wait for a higher high here. Higher high. And then we're going to get interested in a buy. We're consolidating well. Consolidating is accumulating. Luke says, we'll check if BlueBerryMarkets is available in Poland. It is available in Poland. Yes. Okay, EJ comes up very soon. Let's wait for the reaction here. I do like the setup. I do like the liquidity. I do like the fact that we can potentially wait for a higher high. We're compressing here. There we go. We're getting there. We're accumulating a little bit. We're forming some setup here. You can put your take profit a little bit lower. Let me see if we can look for it right now. I think we're getting to it very soon. Wow, look at the reaction. Wow. Aggressive. That's why we are waiting. We want to wait for higher high. Australian dollar, US dollar looks very promising on the 30-minute. Kate says, what will we trade next? I'm excited for Wednesday. Yeah, it's a beautiful day to trade. Wednesday is definitely one of my best scalping trades. One of my best scalping days. For sure. USD cut is coming down all the way right now. But I'm not interested in this position any longer. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, the British pound is making some moves right now. Okay, in eight minutes we have the BOC press conference. This is quite interesting as well, but not really crazy. Let's see what the next setups could be. That could be the Australian dollar against the US dollar, guys. That could be. Not EU. Not EU. Gold. Okay, guys. This is it. This looks like a promising setup here. The rejection of this zone. Waiting for a lower low. I hope we can build out a little bit more liquidity. If we can build a little bit more liquidity, then it's fantastic here. Because then we can create more stop losses underneath this zone. For people to go long here. But something like this is looking pretty good. Let's see what the dollar index is telling us right here. Okay, it's not looking the strongest right now. Okay, this could align very well. If we break this level, if we create a lower low, we will create a lower low here. Lorx says, is Aaron FX a good broker? I have no expertise. I have no good understanding of Aaron FX. Okay, yes, slowly but steady. Let's build more liquidity right now. That would be fantastic. Lorenzo, what leverage on Blueberry broker? Blueberry, up to 500, I believe. 500. I like the transparency. They're officially, or they're a completely verified broker and regulated. And what I also like is that the raw accounts are very, very good. So yeah, if you want to join, links in the description. You can even get your feedback if you applied for a Discord server as well. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar looks good. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for the expansion to take out liquidity. That expansion creates a fair value gap. That fair value gap creates the expansion to the upside, right? Targeting a certain zone, seeing the rejection, not entering from the rejection, but waiting for the lower low after the rejection. And because there is imbalance there, once it's broken, it tends to go very fast again. We're coming close here. We're coming close right now. Let's go. Lower lows are very important here. Stop loss above that zone. Let's see. We're coming closer. Not yet, not yet. Soup Ham says Canadian dollar recovered. Let's see. You mean the Canadian dollar, the trade that we took before? Yeah, it came up all the way. Yeah. Okay, that was a good choice. Was a good choice. Ah, okay, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I haven't seen that one. No, we're not in this trade yet. Not yet. We wait for a lower low or something like a 1 minute candle closure or something in that sense here. Let's look at the dollar index. DJ sprays, I don't trust the DXY for a bit. Major fair value gap above. Yeah, that's exactly what we're looking for. So if we come up here, AU will come down. We're holding above this area of demand so far. Let's see how we develop here. Jorskires. Buenas tardes, Lorenzo. Estoy ascendiendo do Brasil. Ótimo para ouvir. Okay, let's be patient here. We are looking for something interesting, but what we are looking for right now is that we are actually still waiting for that lower low. Our Australian dollar trade was not even triggered anyways. We're still waiting for that lower low, so we need to wait a little bit longer. But let's see if the dollar can hold here right now. That's what we need to look for. This is great. This is only better. This is only better. Why? More liquidity. Equal lows here, by the way. More liquidity getting built. If you break the lows here, right now, more liquidity will be built here. The dollar index is coming up here, making a little bit of a reaction, or at least we're seeing a reaction so far. So that could be good here. But let's see. Australian dollar looks quite bullish at the moment. Euro US dollar right now looks also very interesting. We're building clear liquidity here. This is also pretty good right now. Let's see. It's definitely weaker right now than the Euro USD. Very interesting. Munga Trade says, Lorenzo, what is the difference between the dollar index and the USDX? It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Okay, if the dollar created a higher high right now, but if you create a lower low, then we need to be a little bit more patient here. Then we can create new highs as well. But it's good to see that the dollar is weakening a little bit. I'm actually, I'm happy. I'm happy to see that. Lorenzo, USD cut is back on the OB. Let's see. Yeah, I've seen that indeed. Let me check as well for you right now. We're not back yet. However, I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan if you create a lower low here. I'm not a big fan. Why? Because all of this liquidity here is already taken right now. We came back up to stop out the people that went short here. All that liquidity is taken there. That was the liquidity that I was actually initially targeting there. So, yeah, that's a bit of the... No, I'm personally not interested in entering right now. In USD cut here. Okay, EURUSD created higher high. Dollar is getting weaker, guys. Dollar is breaking. This is huge. This is big. This is big. Look at that. We broke the lows. This is a long time, guys. This is a long time. Look at that. Since when? When was the last time that we broke the lows on the daily? On a daily level? When was the last time we broke the lows on a daily level? Look at that. Let me tell you when. That was June 2021. Sorry, no. The significant... Oh, yes. No, sorry. March 2022. March 2022. So this is big. This is big. This is very important to take in consideration here. The fact that we broke the daily lows right now. Okay? Very, very interesting. Other countries right now are hiring their interest rates as well. Significantly. However, next week, Wednesday, FOMC meeting, interest rate hike for the United States. We could easily come back up again. But it's interesting. It's an interesting move for sure. What is your thoughts on EU? Right now we're tanking pretty significantly here. On the higher time frame. This is on the daily. We created a higher high on the daily as well. So I like it. I like the fact that we're going to go back to $1 right now, a euro. Yeah, we have created a higher high. We held there beautifully as well. Look at this beautiful order block right there. I think it's a beautiful setup right now. Beautiful candle. We broke the highs. Some people would say, okay, I'm going to trade this right now. And I'm going to put my stop loss underneath. And I'm going to target this zone. Could be. But I would not do that. I would not do that. Sorry, I would target these highs right there. Because these are equal highs though. Equal highs are sitting up there right now. I think there's a lot of liquidity built up above these highs right there. We have created a daily high right now. Things are looking very nice for the euro against the US dollar right now. Very, very good. Like something like this, I think a lot of people will do here. Stop loss there and they're targeting these highs there. Very interesting. Yeah, that's on the higher time frame, of course. We're looking for lower time frame confirmations right now. DJ Spray says, do not forget the major fair value gap on the 4-hour on EU that we are just stepping into. What do you mean with that? Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, so that means that we can slice through easy. Like, we can go up relatively faster. Especially after the dollar index created a lower low right now. It's very, very interesting, I have to say. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the sub. Eka Bodzi. And nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Okay, let's get one more trade, guys. We did 4 trades live. 3-0. And 1 break even. I want to have one more win. What do you guys think? We're almost at 3%. Like 2.8%. Let's get one more. One more. What's happening with the euro against the British pound right now? Is it doing what we were looking for it to do? Yeah, there we go. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. We have been looking at this one for a while. A lot of resistance here. A lot of resistance here. Kasasper says, don't forget me at the live stream after the Discord giveaway. I message you on Instagram. I need to sleep now. Please follow me up. 100%, my man. We'll definitely do that. In the meantime, we're just keep crushing it right now in the Discord as well. I want to welcome all the new people here into the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you're gonna have an amazing time here. You can join the voice chat as well. We're talking there every day, sharing charts, analyzing charts on a regular basis. Talking about a lot of setups here. Okay, very, very clean. Regular SMC setups as well as scalping and as well as our setups that we were looking for. Pretty much the USD cut. Everything that we're doing here, we're posting in there as well. So that's, you guys are completely updated in that sense at the same time as we're gonna do these live trading sessions also in the Discord. So you never have to be alone when trading. It's way more fun to do together, guys. Way more fun. Francis, may you take a view on gold? Yes, absolutely. Let's have a look at the gold right now. Okay, it says, is the dollar index the same as the US 100? No, no, no. The US 100 is the NASDAQ. That's an equity. Or this is what we call an equity. The dollar index is a currency index formulated around dollar assets, representing the dollar strength. Yeah, gold's coming up, of course. Gold's looking stronger right now. Yeah, it like I said, was coming very close. That reversal was definitely coming. It's coming very, very close here. So this was that beautiful, beautiful 1 hour of demand. We tapped into the zone, created a higher high, came back down, made again into this zone. I targeted a little bit lower personally, but again, tapped into that zone. And now we're coming back up further. So gold, yeah, very bullish at the moment. The dollar index, very bearish. We broke daily lows here. This is big. This is big. This is very big news. There we go. Okay, let's get back to the euro against the euro against the British pound here. A lot of accumulation. This is a lower time frame trade. This is a 1 minute trade, by the way. This is a 1 minute trade here. This took a long time. This took a long time to break. But we were looking at it for a significant amount of time already. Okay, potentially retracement here. Be careful. Not entered yet. I'm waiting for the retracement. Do you live stream every day? Yes, from Tuesday till Friday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let me check this on the 5 minute here. I think it's... Okay, we're coming down. This is what we're waiting for. We have that consolidation. This is why I was very patient here. With this zone here. This particular level on the 1 minute right there. So I wanna come somewhere down here, then put the stop loss underneath there. Target that same place right there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, GBP Canadian dollar was a very good trade. Gold was very nice. The euro against the Japanese yen was also pretty good. Only the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Yeah, we exited on time here. Yeah. Best friend says, good night, bro. Speak tomorrow at some point. As for sure, my man. Absolutely. Okay, I'm gonna look for one more opportunity, guys. If you cannot find it, then then it is what it is for today. I'm a little bit careful still with the EJ right now. But Euro against Japanese yen is more interesting right now. Let's see if we can get a retracement here. That's definitely a short right there. One minute candle closure. Not yet. Okay, now we have closed our candle above that zone. Same concept. We have to be patient here. As you can see, we're very picky, but we picked the right trades here. That's just the way it is. Just the way it is right now. By the way, we're looking at this zone right here. We've entered euro from $1 and 1.006 as well. That was a good move right there. Small trade, just a small trade. This is for a couple days. I think this is for till the end of the week. Till the end of the week, probably. So yeah, just so you guys know that. I'm relatively bullish for euro now that the dollar index has broken the lows on the daily. Okay, so for me that's very, very good news here. In the short term, at least. So potentially until the interest rate decision here, I am yeah, maybe gonna hold this position here. Okay guys, we have been streaming for 4 hours almost. First of all, I want to say thank you. It was a very good stream today. We did 4 trades. 1 trade. Yeah, 1% per hour. No, 3 in total because we had the one break even. But anyways, it was a very, very nice session. I'm gonna go into the Discord here. We have, I think. Okay, we're gonna go into the Discord here. I think we're gonna continue there. We still have some time left, so we're gonna do that for the people in the community here. Overall, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today. It was for me it was a very beautiful training session. Very nice stream. We made roughly 2.8%. We are now at 56 wins. 18 losses and 11 break even here. With a total of 86 trades. Okay. So we have 14 more trades to go, but we're gonna do maybe 10 more because of the break even. Okay, so we have actual 100 trades in total of win and lose. So we know exactly what the win rate is right here. Okay. So I'm gonna continue in the Discord right now. If you want to be part of that, of this session or whatsoever, and you want in general be part of the community in general, and you want to learn what we're doing here, how we manage our portfolios and so on, how we scalp, how we go for swing trade opportunities, how we look for day trade opportunities, whatever. We'll all come back into the Discord as well. We're going to release a complete video series as well, as the setups are here. Besides the live trading sessions as well in Discord right now, we're going to set up. And of course, the regular events, the educational content, and so on and so on. Beautiful, beautiful combination. Okay? There is a promo right now we have with the broker as well, which is BlueBerryMarkets. If you join the Discord, you can get your Discord membership fee back if you apply for the BlueBerryMarkets through the link as well in the description. All right? You have to see and follow exactly the rules and so on. But the reason why I'm at BlueBerryMarkets is because I have been approached by, and you have no idea how many brokers since I started streaming. And yeah, even been offered a lot of money as well. But BlueBerryMarkets, I've chosen to go for transparency rather than going for the money. You cannot really buy us as a community. And that's why we chose BlueBerryMarkets. Fees, no fees on gold. The slippage, most important. Spreads, of course. And of course, you know, the customer support. So it's all about transparency in this sense as well. So guys, I'm going to be back tomorrow. Okay. Let's see how the market is. But today the market is very, very good. This is the vibe we're looking for. You can tell it's a Wednesday. Wednesday is the perfect day to scalp. And therefore, I think it's a perfect way to make some pips here. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Jamie, my man, thank you. Ron, thank you, brother. Let's get the song started. Let's get the song going. One more song. More giveaways as well, guys. Pretty much what I earn from YouTube is going to giveaways. Okay? Either the magic keys or prop firm challenges. So if you want to join, subscribe, like, enjoy. Love all of you. Over time, we're gonna make some really nice amount of pips. But overall, it's most importantly, we're gonna get better and better and better and better and better and better over time. Okay? Great stream. Thank you so much. Let's go, let's go.
Mr. Fundamental People.
Bruh. Have a nice stream, guys. Ciao, 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 ciao.